Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Today we are going to discuss about what are the top 3 trending stocks for tomorrow trading. The first stock is Indus India Bank, and you can see it's a trending now, and we can take buy this between this level 727.05 and 720.10. You can see here it takes a resistance, and the same level again it acts as a support, and here also earlier it acts as a resistance. So in between this level I believe that it's a buy zone. So we can buy these stocks 727.05 to 720.10 level. Okay, and if the stock is closing below, we are following 50 minutes candle, and if the stock is closing below 720 level, then expect a downside move. Okay, as per technical, this is the buy level 720.05 to 720.10 because the stock is trending, and if it get a chance to comes down, it will touch here and retrace back. In case if the stock is closed below 720 level, then go for sell. Okay, I made a breakout calculator also. As per technical, this is the buy level. Let's check with the breakout calculator. Okay, as per breakout calculator, 741.70 above is the buy, and this is the target 745 and 749, and stop loss is 734, and sell below 731 level, and target 727, 724 and 738.61. This is the stop loss as per the breakout calculator, and this is the as per technical, this is the best level for buying, and if the stock is closing below 720 level, then only go for sell. 50 minutes candle, as per breakout calculator, this is the level. Okay, so I'll just check with another next stock, SRF. SRF 4856 and 4811. This is the buy level for XRF. Now it is also a trending stock, and you can see here it's a take a support, and here also earlier act as a resistance. So in between this level, I believe that this is the buy zone. In case the 50 minutes candle is closing below 4811 level, then expect a downside move. Okay, as per technical, this is the buy level, and the stock is closing below 4811 level, then only go for sell. And 50 minutes candle is closing below this level, then only go for sell. And if the stock is touching in between this level, we can take buy. As per breakout calculator, just check the level. $4973 above, it's a buy call, and 4998 and 5023, this is the target, and 4923 is the stop loss. 4887 below is the sell, and 4863 is the target 1, 4839 is the target 2, and 4936 is the stop loss. Okay, this just for reference, this is a breakout calculator only, but mainly we are focusing on the level because this is the pure technical level, and this is just a breakout level. We just compare with both. Okay, the last one, SR Transfin. SR Transfin also, it's a trending, you can see it's a trending last few days. That's why I'm selected these stocks, and 830.25 and 824.65. This is the buy level for SR Transfins now, and you can see here it's at take a support, and here also. That's why in between this level, I believe that it's a buy zone, 830.25 and 824.65. and if the stock is closing below 824 level, that means 50 minutes candle is closing below 824 level, then expect a downside move. So as per technical, this is the buy level, and stock is closing below 824 level, 50 minutes candle, then only go for sell. Let's check with our breakout calculator. Okay, as per breakout calculator, 849.60 above, it's a buy, and 853.80 is the target, 858 and 841 is the stop loss, and sell below 833.70 level, and target 829.54, and that means 824.50 and 825.40. This is the target, and stop loss is 842.05. So this is the as per the breakout calculator, this is the level. As per technical, this is the buy zone, and when the stock is closing below, then you can go for sell. So this is the stocks for tomorrow trading. Please do watch it. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasnilo.com. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, I will give the link below in the description box. You just click it and join it. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye. Open Play Store app and search friend.page. Install the first one. Once you install, open it and search Nicholas Intraday Calls here. Then subscribe it. You will get live calls alert here.